Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to check my Facebook login devices as quick as possible. Alright, first of all open your Facebook account and then from here click on menu. Right now click on the wheel and from now we need to click on our Meta account center. Then from here we go to account settings and then click on password and security. And then right now at security checks, you will find where you logged in. So click on that. Then right now you see my 2 Instagram accounts and 1 Facebook account. So now I click on my Facebook account. And right now you see all your account login activity. Right now if I scroll down and click on select devices to log out, I can select here devices to log out on. Or I can do select all and then do log out, so he will log out on all devices. So this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.